Welcome to MotorMav. Do you know how to tell if your car has a factory amplifier? Aftermarket amplifier and factory amp might look the same, but there are some differences between these two. However, a factory amplifier is installed by the manufacturer to give you a better sound quality. An aftermarket amp will add more power to your audio system. But how do we know if we have a factory amplifier? Well, you're wondering, if your car has a factory-built amplifier, or the aftermarket ones, you can do a couple of things, such as: Number 1, check the door panel. Number 2, look under the front seat. Number 3, check the dashboard. Number 4, check the left rear quarter panel. Number 5, check the car stereo's amplifier. Number 6, inspect the rear seat. Number 7, check all the wiring. And, number 8, locating your radio harness. We hope you have enjoyed our video. Visit our page MotorMav to read this blog in detail. And do subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon.